Hi, welcome everybody. My name is Boyuan Cheng, and I am the project manager for this new project team. And welcome to our project kickoff meeting. So today we are going to talk about the new product, and then we'll go through the project target market, and the last one we'll talk about new product promotion. So first of all, let me welcome to all our board of directors to attend our meeting today. Thanks for your cooperation and we appreciate your time. So about this new product, our idea is Coca-Cola plus coffee. This new product you can enjoy two our customer favorite tastes combined together in a single drink. So why we choose the Coca-Cola plus coffee? We think this is a new drink can combine the great tasting and delicious antidote for your afternoon. And what does this new product will be taste like? This new product will be combine the traditional taste of the classic virgin Coke with a dash of the real coffee, and combined with caffeine and the soda taste. Why we come out for this idea for this new product? We analyzed the current market. Almost there's no company offer a coffee flavored soda or Coke on the current soda industry market. Our team think about to add the dietary fibers to make this product healthier than our competitor's product and our traditional soda drink. It will be healthier and less sugar than the classic Coke, Sprite, and Fanta. Our team believe the refreshing effort of coffee in this new product will be a new feature. For this new product target market, our group think about we will focus in the US market for this upcoming financial year 2021, and our group is excited to see how US market will be react for this new product, and if the market reacts very positive, we will think about expand this new product to the global, or at least North America in next year. I want to talk about a little bit more about this new product promotion. The first of all, we are think about our traditional promotion partners, such as grocery stores like Walmart, and the restaurant, street vendor, and the wholesale store such as Costco and Sam's Club, and will be the movie theaters. They are all our traditional promotion partners. They are a huge part about our promotion, and we give their priority for all our new product coming out. Since it now is the IT age, so we are thinking about we can do a pre-promotion on the major social media platform, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and here is the example. We are gonna create a new homepage for this new product on Facebook. We can put a coffee soda with a new designed logo, and on this new homepage we can allow the customer hashtag this new product name with their feeling and how they feel about the new product with their experience. Second one will be our main promotion after we can contact with our traditional promotion partners, and after our pre-promotion on social media. We will do an online lottery promotion on our social media, and once the customer get lucky from our lottery, we will contact them and shipping them to the new symbol of this new product, and we are looking for their feedback. Second will be we are gonna select some major city in US to do a new product retail store. It will be major city in West Coast such as California, Los Angeles, and San Francisco, and in the middle probably will be Texas and Chicago, and on the East Coast we will select such as NYC or Boston or Philadelphia. The last one will be some activities in the retail stores, such as buy 6 and get 1 free at the wholesale store or grocery store. After all these promotion activities we talked about before, we're gonna do a post-promotion evaluation. So we will select customers' feedback of this new product from our website, from email, from social media. And here is a couple of questions we are gonna ask the customer to provide their feedback. The first one will be 1 out of 10, how many points you gonna grade for this new product. We are gonna listen to the honesty feedback from the customers to improve this new product. Second one will be what are the new product strengths and weakness compared with our competitors. So far we haven't seen any other beverage soda company they are doing the coffee flavored soda. So let's see how a customer will react for this new product. Whether you are willing to recommend this our new product to friends, or what is the reason you're gonna recommend it to them, or if not, what's the reason you are not recommending for them. Our project team believes that different people have different takes about the soda, about the coffee. We are here and we are looking forward to hear the feedback and the customer feeling about this new product. It doesn't matter it's negative or positive, and that is the way we'll keep improve our new product for our company. The last one will be, are you satisfied with our promotion? We're gonna try to do promotion in as many as different ways, such as traditional retail store, grocery store, and online, and also social media. Let's see which kind of promotion way will be our new direction for our promotion in the future. So overall, here is a couple conclusions we are recommended from our project team to our company and our board of directors. From above this analysis of the coffee flavored Coca-Cola, we think about it should be invested and developed. And this new product will not only serve it as a traditional soft drink, it is also served as an energy drink, such as a Coke with caffeine in it and with a coffee flavored taste. And we believe this new product will get more profit for our company in the future. Thanks for everybody. This is all we have for today's project kickoff meeting. Thank you.